Hi, I'm Melissa, and I'm here to show you how easy it is to print a 3D object. In fact, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3D. 1. Create or download a 3D model. 2. Process a 3D model in 3D printing software such as Simplify 3D. And 3. Send the processed file to your 3D P1000 large format 3D printer and watch your creation come to life. Let's get started. Step 1. Start with a 3D model, either created in 3D modeling software such as a CAD program or downloaded off of the internet. Save the model as an OBJ or an STL file. These are the file types that 3D printer processing software understands. Step 2. Process the 3D model in 3D printing software. Once the file is imported, you'll need to set a few standard model modifiers, such as the number of top and bottom layers, perimeters, and infill. Let's walk through it. We'll start with something simple, like this square box. I'll import the STL. Then let's set our model modifiers. 3 top solid layers, 3 bottom solid layers, 2 outside perimeters. Now let's look at infill. I want this box to be fairly strong, so let's set the interior fill percentage to 20%. I know I won't need supports for this piece, but if supports are needed, they can be added by clicking the Generate Support Material button here. These print settings will likely change with each print, depending on the intended use of the printed part. So I'll click OK to accept the process settings and prepare to slice the model. Now we can see the model as it is sliced into layers. When this file is saved, the format will be G-code, which gives the printer step-by-step instructions for printing the part. Let's save the G-code to the SD card, and that's it for step 2. Step 3. Send the processed file to your 3D P1000 large format 3D printer. Insert the SD card into the card reader of the LCD panel. We need to heat the bed. Now I'll home all of the axes. It is very important that you home the axes prior to each print. Now I'll select Print from the SD card and select my G-code file. The LCD screen shows the extruder temperature, and the print will begin once the target temperature is reached. Now we watch the first few layers to make sure the print adheres to the build area and that the filament is flowing smoothly. Great! It is looking good. So that's it. 3D printing with your 3D P1000 is as easy as 1, 2, 3D.